Hi, welcome back to this series of master question creation, in which we are at this stage where we will enter sales book and then we'll have sales return. So there are only much entries of sales and purchase. Mm, For the rest of the entries, we'll only be trying one or two of them. Okay, so you don't have to worry about the lengthiness of the process. And yeah, also we are going to learn how to create a sales invoice, that is by the automation by the help of Tally. So this right here is the sales book, and the sales voucher hotkey is F8. Sales entry, journal entry of sales is party account debit, bank account debit, cash account debit. That is if it is on credit. If wait, I'll show you. If you know the journal entry, you can pass. You can skip this tutorial. So party account debit to sales account, that is goods, because goods went out, and debit what comes in, credit what goes out, as in real account, as goods went out, hence it should be credited. The remaining part right here is party account debit, because as that party is the receiver, which means debit the receiver, credit the giver. Or if it is a bank or cash account, that should also be debited, because bank and cash, bank is also a receiver, hence bank should be debit, and cash is a real account, cash, okay, debit what comes in. So that is why it should always be debit and this should be credit. Now let's see the first journal entry right here, which says date is 1st May, Mars Incorporation, invoice number 01. That is our first invoice, hence it is 01. 210 mini size TV are sold at 3000 per piece. 80 tape recorders at 20,500 per piece. Trade discount on all items at 20%. Okay, credit method. Let's open the gateway of Tally and see what can we do about it. Click on accounting vouchers, or you can just press the hotkey, that is V. Yeah, V for vouchers. Now right here you have to click on F8, F8, that is for sales. As I have already F8 window right here, it is not asking me. If you don't have, you can open it by F8. It will prompt you with F8 sales window. Yeah, so F8, the first thing that it asks us is reference number of sales. So what is it? 01. Okay, let's first change the date so that we don't have to change the date twice every time. F2 1519. Reference number is 01. Party account name. Who are we selling it to? We are selling it to Mars Incorporation. Do we have that ledger? No, we don't have it. Hence, we'll create that ledger by Alt plus C. Can you see it? Okay, you cannot see it, I can imagine. Alt plus C, Alt plus C to create ledger. We have learned it so many times, this should not be tough for you now. Yeah, so moving ahead, let's press Alt plus C here, creating a ledger of Mars Incorporation. As Mars Incorporation is someone whom we have to receive amount from, and yeah, he is our customer, hence he should be a debtor. Inventories values are affected, yes, of course. Maintain bill by bill, yes. Check for credit during voucher entry, yes. This is the feature I was telling you about, that if you enter 21 days credit to Mars Incorporation, so after 21 days Tally will automatically charge interest as per the interest amount specified. Enter. Okay, Mars Incorporation delivery note, order number, yes, yes, except we don't have all these details. Sales ledger, do we have sales ledger? No, we need to create a sales ledger. Hence creating a sales ledger is Alt C, sales, go to sales account, where are you? Yes, okay, sales account, invoice rounding, yes, normal rounding, it will round off the invoice amount. Suppose there is an amount in decimal, it will increase and decrease +1 so that our invoice looks better, right? Okay, now we can fill all these details. 210 mini size TV, that is from the godown of Sri Harikota. 210 mini size TV at the rate of 3000 per piece. And how much is the discount? 20%. Okay, enter, enter. What is the second good? Tape recorder, Sri Harikota. Now you can imagine the pain that we took to enter all these stock entries, and it is really paying us off now. 80, 20,500, 80, 20,500, discount is 20%. End of list. Here you can enter any ledger. Suppose you have to pay sales tax, then you can enter sales tax. You have to pay VAT, you can enter VAT. Okay, I'll tell you how to activate this feature of taxes. Sales entry, right? Okay, yeah, so let's see how can we activate the sales tax and value added tax and service tax feature in Tally. Go to F11, statutory, F3. Okay, right here you can see you can choose yes, GST. Now, yeah, okay, so suppose you live in the state of Maharashtra, and state of Maharashtra has threshold limit of 50,000 value to create an invoice. So this is basically a detailed version of GST and it will guide you, but we don't want it now. Yeah, you can enter TDS, you can enter TCS, you can enter local body tax. Local body tax, okay. Okay, so this window will change as per your country. Suppose you live in United States, it will be different. Suppose you live in Arab Emirates or you live in any Arab country, it will be value added tax, not GST. Okay, but we'll not be doing any of it here. But if you want to do it, you can click yes on those feature, and as soon as you go to the sale entry, it will ask you for the taxes and it will automatically calculate on those figures. Okay, so resuming back, right here I have Star Trek Limited, first six, oops, 1619, reference number is 02, party account name we need to create Star Trek Limited, alt C is to create, by far you should know, sundry debtors, yes, credit days, voucher entry, yes, inventories values are affected, obviously yes bro, no, okay, why is it not letting me choose this column right here? I'll choose no. Okay, now it will help us. Yeah, enter all the other details, and yeah, if you have them, sales ledger was already created. Video cassettes and tape recorders. Video cassettes, Sri Harikota is our go down. 1100 and 200 per piece. 1100 and 200 per piece. What's the discount amount? 10%. Tape recorder. Quantity is 28, 22, 500. 28. Oops, negative stock. See, that is a wrong entry, right? Because we don't have this much stock. 28, 500. Is the entry correct? 28, 22, 500. Oops, 500. 28 pieces and 22, 500. End of list, and this is where you can enter your taxes, right? No, end of list, enter sales entry made. Okay, so for those who are wondering that why aren't we not making entries that we make in our notebooks or in our Excel sheets, that is buy, and to, that is sales account debit, to goods account. Okay, that is goods account, that is party account debit to sales or goods account. We can make this the those entries also, but let's first accept this entry. I'll show you how. Click on this feature right here, that is as voucher. Now you can see right here 01, suppose I 01, that is by the name of party, and yeah, okay, debit amount is 24, suppose 45 against reference number. Okay, to sales account. Now this is how you can make that entry, that is mini size TV. It will ask you these details. Okay, so but that is a much appropriate way, because in that way you are also creating a invoice. I'll show you how. Go to DAL and sales account, enter, let's open this right here, Alt P. Yes, okay, so this is how you make a systematic format. Right here I have the company's name, that is Beyond Milky Way. Right, invoice number to 1st June is the date. Delivery note, when making an actual sales you might have all those details, and you have, if you have a small company, you can obviously operate like this only by creating invoice and voucher entries together. Detailed delivery note, total delivery, buyer is Star Trek Limited, description of goods, quantity, rate per units, discount, and yeah, declaration, we declare that this invoice shows the actual price of the goods described and that all particulars are true and correct. And this is where the authorized signatory should sign. Okay, so this is how efficient Tally is, and yeah, escape. And this is how you can create an invoice in Tally. Let's move on to this third entry right now, Galaxy Limited, and this is a bank payment. Hence, this entry will be quite a bit different. Galaxy Limited 98 Northern Stereos 8000 per piece. Voucher sales entry, that is 03. What's the date? 31/8, right? Party account name is, what is party account name? As we are receiving it in bank account, hence bank account should be party account name. Okay, Maharashtra sales, and yeah, okay, shift tab and then enter it again. This is where you enter the buyer's detail, which is Galaxy Limited, right? Galaxy Limited, address is okay, Maharashtra, enter sales, name of the item, mini size TV, 98 Northern Stereos 8000 per piece. Northern Stereos, Sriharikota 98 8000 per piece. And how much is the discount? 30%. Oh wow. And because the person is paying right now, right? Northern Color TV, Sriharikota is the go down, 38 into 28 500. Discount at the rate of 30%. Okay, so this entry is also now created, and yeah, we have to receive rupees 13 lakh 6900 sales made as per cash. Before printing, let's check out this account. I'll click on no, Alt P, yes, and let's see how is the invoice made. Okay, so this is the same format. Does it specifies anywhere that the person is paying cash? Okay, buy detail you can see right here. Buy detail is right here. Galaxy Limited. So we did not create account of Galaxy. I'll press Ctrl A and that entry will be saved. Now you can only you can see that this number is automatically increasing. That is number 4. 1 March 2020 time D. Okay. Reference number is 04. We don't have that account. Do we? Oh, we do have that account. Time D, party name. Do we have other details? No, for not for now. Sales account. Also, let's change the date. 1/3/19. Oops, 1/3/20, right? 1/3/20. What are we selling him? Mini size TV. Sri Harikota go down. 183,000. 183,000. Okay. Discount at the rate of. Oh, there is no discount for you, man. Good day. And two color TV at color TV. Northern color TV. Okay. Sri Harikota. Two color TV at. Oops. Wait, let me check that is it correct or not. And then the sales book is 18,500. Okay, so yeah, 18,500 because we were selling Northern TVs at high prices, but not anymore. Enter. You can also enter taxes if there are any. Yeah, Space Shuttle 200 video cassettes 31/3/2020. Reference number is Space Shuttle space oops 05. You don't have that ledger. Alt C space Shuttle sundry debtors accept. Yes. Anything else do we have? No. Keep entering till the time you reach sales. And yeah, 200 video cassettes. That is video cassettes. Sri Harikota go down. 200 video cassettes. What is the price? 210. Okay, good price. And the other one is 22 tape recorders. Tape recorders. Do we have enough tape recorders? 22. 22,500 only. Okay. Okay. Enter. Enter.